Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachupapis, nandito kami sa Walmart at namimili kami ng asawa ko ng air fryer. Ito yung nakita namin. Yan. $39 lang siya mga kachupapi. So ito siya. So ito yan, 3. What's the meaning of cutie?
3 quarts.
Oh, it's so small. So small.
It's like that one right there. Trust me, this is plenty big. It serves 4 people.
4 people.
Yeah, it can serve up to 4 people, so you can put plenty of food in there. You make it in that big one, we're never gonna finish eating. This one serves up to 5 to 7 people, so we don't need that. That's like for family size.
So, I'll get this one then.
Yes, get that one.
Ito kasi, kaya gusto ko kasi para less fat, space saving. So, ito, I'm gonna get this one. Hold on. What's inside? Because they don't show the inside.
This is what it looks like.
So, every time I cook, I just put parchment paper.
You don't have to put anything.
Oh, cause
it's air dry, so it just blows.
How am I gonna wash it?
I'm pretty sure you could probably take this thing out and just clean it. I don't know, I never used one, but you don't need oil. You just put it in there, you turn it on, it's hot air. It cooks with hot air, so they call it air fryer.
So, bili ako ng white.
Just try to see right here, they show superior airflow. So the air, it just pushes hot air through in there, and then it cooks everything through hot air.
13, how much that in peso?
$40, that's about 2,000. That's 2,000! So, it's okay for an air fryer. $40 is normal.
Okay, I'll buy that one then. I like the white. Estatica.
To get this, then you'll have to get the espresso too, so it matches.
Hello?
Yeah, because look, you have the beautiful too.
Okay, I'll buy that. I'll pay you when I have money.
You should just get it.
Alam ko, kachupapi, binilan ako ng asawa ko ng coffee maker.
And now you just need a toaster that's matching set.
Hello, how much is this?
$82.
So, ito, bumili kami, $82 lang siya. Ayan, mga kachupapi, naka-clearance kasi. So, ito, this is expensive than this one then.
Yes. That's why I said that it's very expensive for coffee. It's more expensive than the air fryer.
So, I'm gonna buy a coffee, and then,
well, if you want to do that, we might as well just get the one here, because this is made for espresso. This is espresso.
25 expensive?
Yeah, you want Starbucks?
Hey, we still have coffee inside the house, eh? I'm gonna finish that first.
Those are not very good, and I don't think those is espresso.
Yeah, that's Nestle.
Yeah, that's different. So we can go look over there.
Are we gonna buy toasted?
Well, I don't know if Beauty makes one too, but we can look. If they don't, you can get the white one here.
Oh, I like that. Oh, it's expensive, eh?
It is. Everything is expensive.
Ayan, so this is the only toasted here. Expensive naman, ayoko. I don't like it. So expensive.
We'll put it on the credit and we'll pay it next month. This one, you want? It's just like this, but except it's white. But this one is not by Beauty.
They don't have cover here.
No, you don't need a cover. You never need a cover for a toaster.
Oh.
Removable crumb tray. It's very easy. You just put it in there. You push the button. You set it to the level that you want. Okay, this is very light. This is very dark. And you can also choose
Bangle.
Here.
Defrost.
Yeah,
Preheat. Cancel.
For bagel.
Are you sure this is? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, it's a white and gold.
Kind of.
How much all of it then?
So this is $50. $50. This is $40, so that's $90. $170.
200 already?
Yeah, it's about $200.
Lo.
That's $10,000.
No, I don't wanna buy.
I'm gonna buy it anyway, so you stop asking.
So mga kachupa, bibili muna kami ng coffee. Ayan o, coffee. Coffee Starbucks. Well, this is the one, no?
Espresso roast.
Right?
Oh no, there's all kinds. If you just want to try, I guess you could buy the smaller ones.
Bibili kami ng bread. Ito yung gusto kong bread. Kasi maganda siya. Ay, may iba pa yata. Teka, tingnan ko. Magandang bread. Ito ang binibili ko dati.
That one?
Crack wheat? Yes, I like this one. Essential. Because before this one, it's a lot of grains. Hey, we don't have rice. I forgot to tell you.
Get some.
Yeah. Hanap kami ng rice kasi naubusan kami ng rice. Jasmine rice?
You have just a little bit of that?
Yeah. We try different one. It's always that.
No, I like these.
Okay.
I've tried the other ones too, but they're not as good. I just like these.
You like Manhattan?
Yeah, Mahatma.
So, yung nabili naming bigas is yung $4.
Anything
I like
else?
this one, oh. Jasmine rice.
No, we'll just stick with this too.
Okay.
We'll come back for more next time. If you want to try those, we can try next time.
Okay. May clearance dito. $9 lang siya. And let's see kung maganda. Ito rin may $8, $9. Ang gaganda, oh. Tingnan nga natin to. Ay, ang ganda pang pregi. Hindi pa tayo pregi ba? Dahil ay, bet ko tong short. Ay, purple kasi. Wala akong nagustuhan. So, yung asawa ko nandun na. Yay! I got my stuff. My favorite. Thank you, baby, for buying all of this.
Of course, sure thing.
Why you buy all of it? There's nothing today. There's nothing to celebrate today.
Well, you don't have to celebrate the buying. If you need it, just buy it.
Yeah, you overdose. Overdose.
Everything is overdose these days. There's nothing that's not overdose.
Overdose me.
Everything is overdose. Everything is expensive. You're gonna wait for the price, you're gonna be waiting for a long time.
You gotta put it on the cart there, oh. Hi mga kachupapi, nakauwi na kami at ito yung mga pinamili namin. So yung para sa asawa ko, mahilig siya sa ganito. And then bumili kami ng white rice. Mukhang hindi na magda-diet ba kasi magbe-bare months na. Bumalik sa white rice na. And then bumili ako ng bread. Itong bread. And then itong Espresso roast. 10 pieces na ganito. Starbucks na siya. And then, ito yung paborito ng asawa ko, Doritos. And then, bumili ako ng wipes. Ayan. And then, ito na yung ating, tingnan natin kung ano. Lagay ko lang itong mga to sa mga lagan. Para hindi masikip yung ating lamesa pagka yun. Lagyan natin siya rito. O kaya dito. Yan. Yan. And then yung bigas ilagay natin. Ano kasi kaming bigas. Maliliit lang naman yung bigas na binibili namin. At ito lagay natin sa dito. Tapos natin. And then, ninit ko yung fries dito. Yung sa birthday pa yan. Hindi pala kakain. And then, binigyan ako ng aking neighbor. Ayan. Yung katabi ko dyan. Kasi nag-harvest siya. Ayan. Dami niyang binigay sa akin. Yung ano, pwedeng tag dito. Gawing chop suey. Ayan. Maliit kasi siya yun. So, tignan na natin tong mga to. At, meron akong friendship dito na binigyan ako ng maraming cutics dahil nalaman niya naglilinis ako ng kuko dati. So, ang dami niyang binigay niya sa akin. Ang gaganda pa mga kachupapi. Yung iba hindi pa bukas. Ayan o, mga kachupapi o. Ang ganda ng mga cutics na binigay sa akin. Thank you, Ate Maribel. Si Ate Maribel yung nagbigay sa akin. Super shala ang mga cutics. Halatang hindi pa ginamit. Ayan mga kachupapi. So, madami yan. Nagpapasalamat ako sa kaibigan ko dahil may mga Pinay dito na mababait. Diba? Ang dami yung makachupape. Ayan, very magaganda. Hindi pa gamit pa talaga. Hindi siya talaga totally gamit. Ayan. Mayroong red, pink, purple. So, I'm so thankful na meron akong mga ganung Pinay na malapit dito sa aming bahay. Hinatid niya kanina habang naglilinis ako ng garden namin. So, ayan. Dami. I'm thankful talaga, Lord. And then, eto, buksan na natin to. At saka yung mga yan. Tingnan natin kung saan natin ilalagay. Kasi ang bala ko sana is yung coffee doon. And then yung, etong, ano, ay, feeling ko tabi na lang sila, no, kachupapi. Kasi mukhang mahaba naman yan. So, tatanggalin ko yung mga snacks dyan. Ang ilalagay ko ito. Kasi ayoko namang ilagay dito. Kasi parang over, ano na siya. Over, sikip na. At saka ang dami na nakalagay, oh. So, bala kong ilagay dito siya. So, liga makachupa. Buksan na natin. Unboxing. Naantok ako kasi hindi ako naantok. Hindi pa ako. Naantok ako kasi hindi pa ako naantok. Hindi pa ako nakatulog ba. Alam ba yun, there's a big ano.
Hmm? Big what?
Fly.
Get it. Get the fly swatter. And tell him he must pay rent. It's not free. Yeah, anyways. They show the potatoes not burned.
So, nag-green na yung ating ano. Lagay na natin sa pizza. Medyo mainit pa. So, buksan ko lang siya ng ganyan. Mamaya ako natatanggalin kasi medyo nagmamantika. So, let's open this one. This is my favorite. Ay. Meron natin ito mga cutics. Truly happy. Kulay. Kulay green ba o white? Alam ko white to eh. No! Super bait ng asawa ko. Binilan ako ng ganitong appliances. Dahil alam niyo mahilig ako magluto-luto. Yes! Tara siya ka siya, papi. Yes! Ang ganda! Nakakatuwa! Paano to? Bobby, how to open? Ay, open ako ng open. Naka-scotch tape pa pala. Ay, naku, Winnie. Sisirain agad ang appliances na binili. So, ito yung manual niya. Dali natin yung scotch tape. White yung napili ko, mga kachupapi, para kapag may dumi, mabilis lang malinis at makita yung dumi. Hindi tulad ng ano. Ay! Medyo maliit lang dahil. Pero okay na rin. So, pagka magpiprito ka, ito lang. Ito lang ang ilalagay mo. Ito siya kachupapi. So, maliit lang siya. Pang-isahan lang yata ito. Ano to? Tinatanggal pa ba to? Ah, hindi. Talagang automatic na ito ganun. Yan. Ang ganyan siya kachupapi. And then, paano siya, dahil? Paano? Siguro may lalabas dito, tapos tatouch lang natin. No, kachupapi. Oo nga, may lalabas. May lalabas ditong touch siya. Wow, nice naman! Super happy, super happy. And then, let's open naman na itong ating tag dito? Coffee maker. Kasi mga kachupa, minsan may mga bisita ako, gusto ng kape. Eh, favorite ko rin naman kape. Kaya lang, nagtitingin ako sa Amazon. Ang mamahal doy, over 100. Eh, ito, 86 lang yata to. So, ang tagal ko nang gustong bilhin to, mga kachupapi. Sinabi ko na to sa asawa ko bago pa ako lumipat dito. And, ngayon lang niya nabili. Hindi ko alam kung ano amats niya ngayon, bakit niya ako binilhan. Pero, masasabi kong maganda ang amats niya for today's video. Ay, be so beautiful! Ah! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Wala pa. Tapos ito yung pang milk ito to. Pang mix to eh. Ang ganda chupapi. And then may lagayan siya ng tubig dito. Ito siya mga chupapi. Tanggalin natin mga scotch tape para naman. Tapos ito yung lagay ng coffee. Lalagay mo dito yung coffee mo. And then, lalagyan mo ng tubig. Siyempre, lalagyan mo muna ng tubig. And then, ilalagay mo siya dito. And then, ilalak natin siya ng gano'n. And then, pag open natin, gano'n lang. Grabe, nakakatuwa naman. So happy. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aking background chismis. Chismis ko na yan. Ayan na. Ganyan talaga pagka lalaki, wala tayong magagawa. So ito, natatanggal siya and then nakakabit. Ano to? Ay, okay. Ganito pala siya. So, dito, ganyan lang natin. Ano, parang maliit na baso lang kailangan natin dito. And then, saan natin ito ilalagay? Ano to? And then, ito yung painitan ng mga baso.
You want to eat too or no?
Ha?
You want to eat too or no?
I'm so full.
Okay. Nick, you want to eat some eggs too? I'm going to cook some eggs and potato wedges.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Alright.
I promise you. I'm good.
So,
I like
kain yung asawa ko ng itlog.
You make some too. I eat some chicken.
Tingnan mo natin yung mga items dito. Ito naman yung ating i-open.
I'm going to come down.
Okay. It's so hot. Initan na ako. Tanggalin ko na yung aking jacket. Naantok ako talaga. Kahit na may mga ganito akong mga... Ito, hindi namin paparehas. Kasi wala kami nakitang gantong ano, posted. So, hindi siya parehas dito. Naantok talaga ako. Usually kasi pagkatanghaling tapat, ano ulit pa na ba? Alas 5 na. Usually pagkatanghaling tapat, natutulog ako. Kaya lang, pumunta kami ng Walmart. So, hindi ako nakatulog. Actually, mga kachupa, ang pinunta lang naman talaga namin sa Walmart is yung bibili ng water. Dahil ang daming binili ng asawa ko. Sabi ko, titingin lang ako ng coffee maker. Binili na dahil. Excited bumili. Pero okay na rin. Para magamit ko na rin. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay.
Wow, we eat that so fast. There's very few left.
Why it's over box naman to? Double box?
Probably just for safety reasons.
Uy, maganda naman siya, guys. Nakikita ba ako dyan? Medyo maingay na lang yung asawa ko magluluto ng itlog. Alam mo naman to, mahilig sa itlog. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Ang ganda! Puti siya mga kachupapi. Kasi gagawin mo siya. Ayan siya mga kachupapi. Ang ganda! So happy, super happy. Pero white and gold yung kanyang design. And then, meron siyang booklet emerald dito. So, naka 200 something yata kami lahat. What is this? Avocado mash. Ay, meron silang ganito. Instruction emerald. Ay, very good. They have instruction.
Good, they should.
And they have
Do they have
stickers.
instruction for the coffee maker?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
everything's in there. Baby, look at me. I'm too fat.
You're fat? You look fine to me. What a cute tummy. It's perfect for you.
Baby, hug me. Hug me 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm very charged. Very charged. It's not fully charged yet. What are you eating?
Just iced tea, ice cube. Nothing really.
Is it good?
I don't even know what it is. I thought it was iced tea.
This is not.
Is it? That's probably what it is. I thought iced tea, but it's not.
Smells so bad.
It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
But oil?
Yeah.
Or
Put
the
some
tea?
butter. You put butter?
Yeah, I use cooking butter.
Good. So, itatabi ko yung aking mga ganito. Kasi, in case na... Ay, kalimutan ko pa sa sabi. In case na gamitin namin or in case na ibenta ko. Meron siyang box, diba? No, I'm gonna save the box. So, in case that if we sell, will we put it back?
Yeah, I sent you a receipt video in case it's broken or it's not.
Where's the receipt?
It's in the cart. So make sure you test it, make sure everything is working properly before you throw the box away.
Good.
Sometimes they don't work properly. They might be defective out of the factory. So you can never be too sure.
So, my problem now is where I'm gonna put all of this. Maybe I'm gonna put it here because I want my coffee here.
Wherever you want, baby.
If there's a plug there, right?
There's a plug in the back. So that if you put it here, you have to pull this forward a little bit.
Okay, good,
That way you can plug it in. You are just so perfect to me, just the way you are.
Ano ba? Lilipat ko to. Ito mga to. Dito natin ito ilalagay. Meron akong strawberry pie. Ito yung bigay ng kanyang pamangkin. Kasi favorite namin. So, mamaya ako nakakainin niya. Kasi itong mga to, ilagay natin to dito. Ang bango naman yung base. So smells so good. So, ilagay natin yung bread dito. Yan, ka-chapati.
I'm an egg expert. Because I've been cooking eggs for years and years and years.
Only eggs.
I love eggs.
And then, itong mga to, lagyan din natin siya doon. Kasi, kailangan natin tong alisin doon. Dahil, kung hindi natin alisin, wala tayo guys. Smell good. Make me hungry. Ito yung lagay ng chocolate. Dito ko nilipat yung mga chocolate, mga chupati. Ayan. Kita niyo yung aking ano. Para ko talagang inaantok mga chupati. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I feel sleepy. I don't know. Nice! I feel hungry.
Eggs and potatoes, you can't go wrong with that.
Guys, I'm hungry.
Hungry? You eating with me?
Kaya hindi ako mapayat dito. And now it's so beautiful. Maybe I'm gonna change. It should be put in the microwave here. And then I'm gonna put all of that there.
No, you should put the deep fryer. Well, no, leave the microwave there. Don't put it over there because it doesn't match. It's black. These are white, so these can be together, but not the microwave.
This one, put it there. And then this one, put it here.
Here, but I didn't see it.
Because when I cook, yes, perfection. And then ito, ilipat ko siya dito. Then I'm gonna move this one here, ah.
Yeah, that'll work. It's fine.
So mga kachuka, tapos lang kumain yung aking asawa. This is for the coffee.
For the coffee. This must be the filter.
Yeah.
That's double espresso. This is single espresso. That's what that means.
Ah.
So it's both filters, but it's served a little bit different.
Put some water here, Bill. Oh, yeah. B, it's removable. That's good.
I guess it's removable.
Oh, we need to remove this one?
No. I don't think so. Let me see. I don't think that's a plug. Or maybe it is.
Hello? Check the ano.
How do you think the water's going to get through? No, it's not good.
Yeah, out of the base. Like that? No.
This is not for this machine. This is for a different machine. Where you just
So just get
pop
my
it.
coffee.
Yeah,
Get
you,
my coffee.
You can use these, but you'll have to pop it open. These, they make it for those coffee machine where they have a
Yeah.
like a place you put it there and you close it and then it uses this. But since this is not for this machine, this uses powder. So you have to open this up and get the powder and put it in. Okay, so now that we
Hold on, hold on. You need to put this one.
oh right, push it inside slap.
Push it out.
There you go.
Nice. Wow, smells like Starbucks.
And we're gonna put it in.
Kaya mo yan. Sige, sirain natin. There you go. And then oh, my cup is not
You can only get the really small cup.
That's not good.
Or maybe
I can just remove this one though.
that's a drain tray. Yeah. Well, because it's gonna come out here though. Yeah. So it's not a good design.
Yeah. That's why it's cheap. Okay. Don't blame each other.
Well, if it comes on here, it ain't gonna go inside the cup.
Rotate the knob to hot water. Where is it? Hot water. Maybe how to, ano? Here's this one.
Yeah, it's already on.
It's already on.
See, this is standby. This is steam.
Oh! And then only 1 cup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what happened? Hello, this is the one.
I don't know, is it? I think this is for the milk. Put it there.
Get the
But
milk.
we didn't get any milk. Where do you put the milk?
Here.
I know, where do you put the milk in here?
Here.
The coffee comes out there?
No.
What's this then?
To milk the shake, the milk. Put it here. Give me milk a little bit. So, more a little
What?
bit. So, meron tayong milk, mga chapati. And then, how?
I don't know, baby. You keep asking me, but I didn't know either. Just check the directions.
Can you read it?
I can't see, babe.
Yeah.
Broken. It just makes a bunch of noises. Okay, I'll read it.
Oh, they get hot water already. Yeah.
So we just had to wait for it to warm up.
Ganun lang pala, it's easy pala eh.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. It's really easy. It's not supposed to be this difficult. I guess it's just because it's not warmed up yet.
It's 2 cup. You put 2 cup.
It's not 2 cup. This is double espresso. One means single.
Okay.
Single
okay,
shot.
It's done
This-
already.
Double shot meaning that it's stronger. Single shot meaning that it's weaker.
Yay! It's done already. It's flushed already.
That's it?
And then you're gonna put milk in there.
Oh, that was quick.
And then put milk in there. Put a design heart. You know what I mean?
Try. No, I didn't do good. It didn't work at all. But maybe it's not frothy enough.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, you try.
Ooh, nice, B. You're good at coffee
Stir it a
now.
little bit and then try.
See? That's so easy. May coffee na tayo. Or maybe I should hold this one, B. Should put this one more. No.
We'll try it first. It's already frothy.
It's not full yet, eh. How to do this again?
You gotta push this button.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Hey, this is water.
you're gonna have to edit the video a lot.
Hello, it's not working anymore.
That's water. And you have to put it on the cloud.
Oh, that's not water.
That's blowing hot air into the milk.
Yeah, so it makes bubbles.
Yeah, you make it frothy and creamy. But that's almond milk, so it might not be the same.
Okay, I'm done. How am I gonna turn it off?
You have to stand by right here. I'll shut the power off.
And then wipe it up.
Alright. Let's try again.
This is what I see. Ay, it's not frosty because there's some milk. Oh, I'm gonna try this one first. Although I'm gonna taste this first. Magiging magaling din ako niyan pagkalagyan ako ng
It takes a little
lagay.
bit of practice.
Yeah.
Bitter?
Yeah, a little bit better. Because I only have almond milk and it's not so sweet.
Actually, take your spoon out. I'll give you a spoonful. So we know how much honey you're getting.
Okay.
Okay.
It's easy eh. Easy pala eh. Pero anong oras na kami na tayo? Uy!
Better?
Yeah, better now. Starbucks. Wanna try?
I'm gonna drink this.
Yeah, drink tayo ng coffee, mga kachupapi. And then, i-charge ko muna itong phone ko kasi 18% na lang. And then, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya ayusin or kung paano ko ilagay yung mga aking coffee maker. So, balik ako later.
You can.
Finally mga kachupapis, tapos na maglinis ang housewife at maayos na rin tong aming coffee maker. Alas 10 na, oh my gosh mga kachupapi. At naayos ko na rin ito at nalagay ko na rin dito yung mga basong pang coffee. And then next time is aalisin ko yung mga ganyan. Pero sa ngayon, matulog muna tayo kasi alas 10 na. And then dito ko nilagay yung mga pinamigay sa akin ng aking neighbor. So, itong mga to binigay lang sa akin ng aking neighbor. And then, dito ko nilagay yung ating toaster. Kasi bukas ng umaga is magto-toaster tayo. And then, dito ko rin nilagay yung ating... What is this called? Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag dito. Air fryer.
Yes.
And then, dito ko nilagay yung ating, hindi ko na nililipat to. Ito lang ang aking nilipat. And then, dito ko nilagay yung aming bigasan para pagkakukuha ng bigas, madali lang siyang hugasan sa lababo. Hindi na yung paikot-ikot tayo, no? Kasi and then, ayun lang. Nagaganda na ako dito sa aking coffee emerald. Pero thank you mga kachupapi dahil always watching kayo sa aking vlog and always waiting for my vlog. And habang naglilinis ako, nagpapatugtog ako ng mga aesthetic music. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng ipakita sa inyo dahil alam niyo na mga kachupapi, hindi ko na rin kayo sinama kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo mga kachupa dahil i-charge ko yung aking phone. And eto na nga siya mga kachupapi. Very, very aesthetic na. Onte na lang is ma-achieve ko na yung aking pangarap na aesthetic house. So, binili ko pala yung mga condiments dito, mga kachupapi, dahil feeling ko very dugyot siya pag nakalabas. So, pinasok ko siya kasi iba-iba kulay niya. Masakit siya sa mata. Ang gusto kong kulay lang. Next time, pag nasira tong aming microwave, papalitan ko ng white to. Para all white ang ating appliances. Baki, hi ka muna sa vlog. Hi. Hi. So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog, mga kachupapi. Medyo gabi na. At kailangan ko pa mag-toothbrush, mag-gilamos, bago matulog. And hanggang dito na yung ating vlog. Thank you for always watching. God bless. Thank you.